This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. Then sign into your Google account if you haven't already. In here, let me quickly remove the previous documents that I have. Then at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap at this plus icon, then choose the scan option. Give Drive app the camera access. Then take a photo of the document that you wanted to scan. After that, you've got to check the result. If you're satisfied, you can proceed. If not, obviously retake the picture. At the following interface, you can crop the image. So as you can see, automatically mine was cropped incorrectly, simply. So I will frame the part of the original photo that I would like to be included into the final file or document. Then over here, you can also change the color scheme that will be used. And after you've made all necessary changes, hit the save button. In here you can rename the document if you want to, as well as change Google account and Drive folder that this file will be saved to as well. Then tap at the save option one more time, wait for the document to get uploaded to your Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.